Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to add a calendar in your lock screen in iOS 16. The first thing to do is to open Settings. Once here, scroll down until you find Wallpaper. Tap on it and click on Customize. As you can see, there are a ton of widgets you can add or remove, so let's tap on this one and change it to Calendar. There you go. There are different widgets you can use if you just scroll down further. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.